Why is crypto down today? December 9, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Looking ahead to early 2026, the official announcement of Kevin Hassett as the next Fed chair should be bullish for crypto, says Aurelie Barthere, principal research analyst at Nansen. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served, has also written, Why is crypto down today? December 9, 2025. Variant Coinbase Ventures, Gemini and more invest $5 million in Solana staking Transformer Pi Finance. Why is crypto up today? December 8, 2025. Why is crypto down today? December 5, 2025. Why is crypto up today? December 4, 2025. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 38 minutes ago. After starting the week with an increase, the crypto market is down today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization falling by 1.2%. Currently stands at $3.17 trillion. 86 of the top 100 coins have gone down over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $116 billion. TLDR. Crypto market cap decreased by 1.2% on Tuesday morning, UTC. 86 of the top 100 coins and all top 10 coins have gone down today. BTC decreased by 1.1% to $90,480. And ETH is down by 0.3% to $3,122. The U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rate on Wednesday. All eyes are on Bitcoin's $91,000 resistance level. Official announcement of Kevin Hassett as the next Fed chair should be bullish for crypto in 2026. The U.S. CFTC launched a pilot where crypto serves as collateral in derivatives markets. U.S. BTC spot ETFs saw inflows of $54.79 million on Friday, and ETH spot ETFs recorded $75.21 million in outflows. Michael Saylor's company Strategy purchased additional 10,624 BTC. Crypto market sentiment remains largely the same within the fear category. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices decrease over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, is down by 1.1% since this time yesterday, currently trading at $90,480. Bitcoin, BTC, $90. 507.95 plus 4.15%, 24H730D1Y all time. Ethereum, ETH, is down by 0.3%, meaning that it's practically unchanged, now changing hands at $3,122. This is the category's smallest drop. The highest fall among the 10 is 2.1% by Tron, TRX, currently trading at $0.2811. Solana SOL, S1.9% is behind it, now standing at $133. Looking at the top 100 coins, 86 have dropped over the past day. At the red top we find Hyperliquid, HYPE, which fell 6.1% to the price of $28.20. It's followed by Internet Computer, ICP, S4.7% to $3.37. The two best performers yesterday are also the two best performers today. Scash, ZEC, saw a 12.8% increase to the price of $419. Canton, CC, is up 9.8%, now changing hands at $0.07446. Traders are focused on the U.S. Federal Reserve and the speed at which it will cut rates following the expected announcement, set for this week. That said, many argue that the cut is priced in. Meanwhile, the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has launched a pilot that lets Bitcoin, Ether, and USDC serve as collateral in derivatives markets. $91,000 resistance level. Aurelie Barthere, principal research analyst at Nansen, commented that all eyes are on Bitcoin's $91,000 resistance level. This is where the 20-day EMA meets the downward trend from last October. Following the FOMC Plus meeting, I expect BTC to hover around this level without a decisive break, the analyst says. Nansen expects a rate cut, which is already priced into markets, and guidance from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, emphasizing a data-dependent path forward. With a 2-month lag in labor market data, the Fed is likely to maintain a wait-and-see stance, Barthere says. In the summary of economic projections, I'm expecting the terminal rate to hold near 3%, reflecting a committee still divided between hawks and doves. Barthere concludes that looking ahead to early 2026, the official announcement of Kevin Hassett as the next Fed chair should be bullish for crypto, and it's notable that this decision, originally expected this year, has been delayed. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Tuesday morning, BTC stood at $90,480. There was a notable plunge earlier in the day from the intraday high of $92,203 to the low of $89,735. It then recorded another smaller peak at $91,353 before pulling back to the current price. BTC is still green in the 7-day time frame, having appreciated 4.1% and moving between $86,418 and $93,855. A drop below $85,000 could lead to the $78,000, which would open doors for further decreases. However, if BTC recovers above $95,000 and then $102,000, it could proceed to the $108,000 level. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,122. It saw a lot choppier trading day than BTC. It decreased from the day's high of $3,171 to the low of $3,093, the level it hit twice today. Over the past week, ETH has outperformed BTC again, having increased by 11.3%. It traded in the $2,796 to $3,222 range. If it continues falling, the price could retreat below $3,000 and towards $2,850. On the other hand, if it reclaims the $3,300 level, it may keep rising to $3,450 and $3,560. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 119.92 plus 11.09% 24H730D1Y all time. Meanwhile, the crypto market saw a minor increase on Tuesday morning, staying within the fear territory. The crypto fear and greed index rose to 25 today compared to 24 yesterday. That said, it's been moving in a tight range over the past 30 days, occasionally dropping into the extreme fear zone. This highlights notable caution and indecisiveness, much in line with the market conditions overall. ETFs post another mixed day. Strategy buys more BTC. The ETF week has begun in the red. On Monday, the US BTC Spot Exchange-Traded Funds, ETFs, recorded $60.48 million in outflows. With this, the total net inflow pulled back to $57.65 billion. Of the 12 BTC ETFs, 1 recorded inflows and 3 saw outflows. BlackRock accounts for the entirety of the positive flows, adding $28.76 million. At the same time, Grayscale saw the highest outflows of $44.03 million, followed by Fidelity's $39.44 million and VanEck's $5.76 million. Moreover, the US ETH ETFs posted positive flows on December 8th, breaking a brief red streak with $35.49 million in outflows. The total net inflow now stands at $12.91 billion. Of the 9 funds, 2 recorded inflows and none saw outflows. BlackRock took in $23.66 million, and Grayscale took in $11.83 million. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor's company Strategy has purchased additional 10,624 BTC for approximately $962.7 million at an average price of $90,615 per coin. The move has many wonder if the company is expecting a notable rally. This latest acquisition brings Strategy's total holdings to 660,624 BTC, bought for $49.35 billion at an average price of $74,696. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market recorded a decrease over the past 24 hours, and the U.S. stock market closed its previous session lower. By the closing time on Monday, December 8th, the S&P 500 was down by 0.35%, the Nasdaq 100 decreased by 0.25%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.45%. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve, with investors across the board awaiting its decision on the interest rate cut this week. Is this drop sustainable? This is an expected drop following an increase in the market, albeit a smaller one. The market continues trading in a tight range. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for December 9th, 2025. Matrixport says Bitcoin may be stabilizing for now, but sentiment remains cautious as traders brace for the upcoming FOMC meeting. The firm notes that despite the brief pause in selling, current options pricing still reflects roughly 5% downside risk, with funds actively hedging against further pullbacks. With year-end deleveraging in full swing, Matrixport argues that short-term bounces are being treated as opportunities to lighten positions rather than signals of a new rally. Liquidity. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive in. Elongated bull market raises 2026 target to $150k. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? Exclusives. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody as the firm expands institutional crypto services. 22 hours ago. By Tanzil Akhtar. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP. XRP buying spree starting 4 days ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Pepe by the end of 2025. 14 hours ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 15 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 15 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 15 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 51 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 12 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Ben Beto.